compare the radius of the nucleus, aluminium and tellurium. So he asking compare the radius of the nucleus. So nucleus radius की formula r proportional to a to the power of 1 by 3. It is the formula. So r is equal r naught a to the power of 1 by 3. So comparing two formulas, first time aluminium radius compared a, r means radius of the aluminium, so al is equal r naught atomic mass here given 27, so 27 whole to the power of 1 by 3. Same radius of the tellurium, so represented with the Te, then r naught into given mass number 125 whole to the power of 1 by 3. So he asking compare the ratios, so that's why I dividing both one, then we get, so dividing both one, so r naught cancel, remaining this one remaining r1 means aluminium radius, r2 means tellurium radius, so 27 by 125, so 1 by 3, this can written as 3 into 3 by 5 into 5. So our ratio of aluminium by tellurium 3 by 5. It is the ratio of aluminium and tellurium 3 by 5 is answer. Second problem, he asking how many electrons, protons and neutrons are there in 12 grams of carbon and 14 grams of carbon, taken Avogadro number 6 into 10 to the power of 23. Then he given Avogadro number, I asking number of electrons, protons and neutrons. So we calculating the, first of all, number of electrons is equal 12 grams of carbon. So in this 6 electrons is there, so 6 into Avogadro number 6 into 10 to the power of 23. So number of electrons 6 the 36 into 10 to the power of 23. So it is the number of electrons, and number of protons, so 12 grams of carbon. So then how many protons is there? Here 6 protons is there, so 6 into Avogadro number he given 6 into 10 to the power of 23. So that's why 36 into 10 to the power of 23 is the number of neutrons, neutron number, it is the electron number. And he asking another one, neutrons, it is the proton or neutron, both are same. So given 6 into 12, so number of neutrons, number of protons, P is equal 6 is there, 6 into Avogadro number 6 into 10 to the power of 23, nothing but 6 the 36 into 10 to the power of 23. Simply what I am observed that number of protons in 12 grams of carbon, number of electrons equal to number of neutrons equal to number of protons. అంటే ఏంటి అంటే నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ ఎలక్ట్రాన్స్ అండ్ నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ protons and number of neutrons all are equal. Again so next we calculate the 4 grams of carbon 6 into 14. So in this case number of electrons is 6, so number of electrons is 6 into Avogadro number 6 into 10 to the power of 24. So 36 into 10 to the power of 24. So sorry, 10 to the power of 23. 10 to the power of 23, 10 to the power of 23. Again, number of protons, number of protons. So number of protons is atomic number 6 is given. So how many protons is there? 6 protons is there. So 6 into Avogadro number 6 into 10 to the power of 23. Same 36 into 10 to the power of 23. So number of protons and number of electrons both are equal, but here atomic number 6 is there, mass number 14 is there, nothing but a number of neutrons is 8. Why? Because 6 plus 8 is equal 14. So is given a mass number 14. That's why number of neutrons n is equal 8 into 10 to the power of 23 into 6. Why? Because Avogadro number 6 into 10 to the power of 23. So our answer number of neutrons is 8 6 are 48 into 10 to the power of 23. It is the answer. So number of neutrons 48 into 10 to the power of 23. Number of protons is 10 to the power of 36 into 10 to the power of 23. Number of electrons 36 into 10 to the power of 23. So it is the number of protons and number of neutrons. The binding energy for nucleons for deuteron and helium are 1.1 mega electron volts and 7 mega electron volts respectively. Calculate the energy released when two deuterons fuse from a helium nucleus. అప్పుడు ఎంత ఎనర్జీ రిలీజ్ అవుతుంది ఫర్ ఏ ఫ్యూజన్ ప్రాసెస్. ఇన్ దిస్ ప్రాసెస్ ఐ రిటర్న్ 2 into deuteron, 2 into deuteron. He said when two deuterons fuse, one H2 is one deuteron, so it is these two represent two deuterons into convert into helium 2 4 plus energy. ఇక ఇదేం అడుగుతుండు అంటే when two deuterons fuse to form a helium nucleus. సో ఇవి హీలియం న్యూక్లియన్స్ ఫామ్ చేసింది. అయితే ఇదేమంటుండు వాట్ ఈస్ ద ఎనర్జీ రిలీజ్డ్. సో ఈ క్యూని ఇలానే ఉంచేసి 2 is equal 2 into deuteron whole square minus next ఏమో helium 2 4. In this deuteron have a 2 protons, 1 proton, 1 neutron. So total 2 deuterons is there. So 4 protons and neutrons. So 4 into here given energy 7 mega electron volts. So 7 minus here helium also 2 protons and 2 neutrons, then 4 into given energy released energy 1.1 electron volts, mega electron volts. So 4 into 7 are 28 minus 4.4. so it is the next simplifying this one 23.6 mega electron volts. It is the answer. So simple. Here when two deuterons fused, so two deuterons fused, one deuteron plus one deuteron and H2, if two deuterons fuse we get a helium. So and energy keep it this side and helium sending this side, so it's get a minus. In this deuteron, two deuterons is there, one deuteron have a 2 protons and 2 neutrons, 2 protons and 2 neutrons. So 4 nuclear particles is there. So 4 into the given energy 7 mega electron volts. So again helium lo also have a 2 protons and 2 neutrons. given energy 1.1 mega electron volts. So multiplying 7 for the 28, 4 into 1.1 means 4.4. So we simplifying this one, 23.6 mega electron volts. It is the answer. Very important. That one, a nuclear reaction can occur only if certain conservation laws are followed. There are: 1. Conservation of mass number. So always conserving the mass number. Always conservation the mass number. Second one, conservation of charge. Charge also conserved. Third one, conservation of energy, linear momentum and angular momentum. So here in this nucleons have a conservation of mass number and conservation of charge and conservation of energy, linear momentum and angular momentum. So it is the very important point. See, asking some, calculate the mass defect, binding energy and binding energy for nucleons of an alpha particle. So ఇది ఏం అడుగుతుండు, calculate the mass defect and binding energy for nucleon of alpha particles. సో ఆల్ఫా పార్టికల్ యొక్క బైండింగ్ ఎనర్జీని ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయమని అంటుంది. ఓకేనా. ఫస్ట్ ఇక్కడ ఏమేమి ఇచ్చిన, ఆల్ఫా పార్టికల్స్ నథింగ్ బట్ దేర్ హీలియం, హెన్స్ ఇట్స్ సింబల్ ఈజ్ He4. It contains 2 protons, 2 neutrons with the mass number 4 and hydrogen atom 1.00782 mass of neutrons is given 1.008665 and atomic number of the helium 2, mass number of helium 4, mass of the helium atom 4.00260. It is the information from the question. So asking the first, calculate the mass defect. So first of all, mass defect delta m is equal Z mass of proton plus Z mass of neutron minus mass of atom. It is the mass defect formula. Delta m mass defect. So Z means atomic number, MP means mass of proton plus mass number minus atomic number, nothing but remaining neutrons is there. So Mn means mass of neutron. So Ma means mass of atom. It is the mass defect formula. So find the mass defect. How to find the mass defect? So he given he asking calculate the binding energy and binding alpha particles means హీలియం నుంచి 2 ఎలక్ట్రాన్స్ రిమూవ్ చేస్తే ఆల్ఫా పార్టికల్ అంటారు. కాబట్టి ఇందులో ఎన్ని ప్రోటాన్స్ ఉంటాయి? 2 ప్రోటాన్స్ ఇస్ దేర్. సో జెడ్ మీన్స్ 2. ఈ గివెన్ మాస్ ఆఫ్ ది ప్రోటాన్ 1.0078 1.007825 and mass of neutron, how many neutrons is there? Here also 2 neutrons is there. So plus 2 into mass of the neutron he given 8665. So 8665 and he given mass of the helium. So minus mass of the helium 4.00260. So it is the mass defect. Simplifying, we get the answer 0.03038 units. So it is the delta m. what is this delta m? It is the mass defect of the alpha particle. So binding energy formula delta m E is equal EB, binding energy delta m into c square. So m means already we know here. C means one unit is equal 931 into 5 mega electron volts. 931 into 5 mega electron volts. So it is the mega electron volts. This is the C value. So 1 unit. Then binding energy, it is the mass E Be nothing but c square, nothing but this one. E is equal mc square. So it is the mc square. So multiplying this one, we get the answer after solving. Delta m c square is equal 28.3 mega electron volts. It is the binding energy of the helium alpha particle. Okay, binding energy for nucleus. So binding energy for nucleus, how to calculating? So binding energy for nucleus is equal delta binding energy by mass number. So binding energy, we get the answer 28.3 by mass number 4. So 4. So we get the answer 7.075.